Hello, this video is about how to find natural relief from a cough. So we can get a cough if we have like a tickling or itchy feeling in the throat, or if we have dryness in the throat, or if we have mild inflammation of the bronchus or trachea, the windpipe. This comes about due to the cold and dry quality, or you could say in Ayurveda, the vata quality, from the digestive system, coming from the cold and dry environment, generally during the winter, when the vata, or cold and dryness, pushes upwards and goes into the respiratory system, and then pushing a kapha, or mucus or phlegm, from the stomach into the throat. So this creates the need to cough and to expel this congestion. What makes it worse, of course, is a cold and dry environment. This would include cold and dry foods, cold drinks, cold salads, and dry foods and dry fruits, dry crackers. Anything like this could make you more susceptible, particularly during a dry climate. But it's the breathing in of the cold and dry air into the respiratory system, and then the vata, or dry and cold qualities, coming up from the digestive system that contribute to this. And what makes it worse, of course, would be kapha producing foods, congestive foods like meat, dairy, fried foods, even wheat, of course. Ice cream would be counterindicated if you had a cough. It may seem like it would feel good. And of course, dust, pollen, air pollutants, unclean air, smoking will make it worse. The first thing you need to look at when you have a cough is whether it's a dry cough or it's a producing cough, a cough that's producing mucus and phlegm. So if it's a dry cough, then you want to address it one way, and if it's has mucus and congestion, then you want to make your formula a little more pungent to have more expectorant and decongestive qualities to it. So for a dry cough, you could try starting with, say, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with 1/2 teaspoon of cane sugar, mixed with one or 2 teaspoons of melted ghee. This is very soothing, very tasty actually, and even children can find relief from this. And then at night, you can get goat's milk, which is a little less congestive. We have a brand here we get locally, and cook it with 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and maybe a 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, not much, particularly for children. This makes it so they really like it. And cane sugar is very soothing for the respiratory system. In fact, many Ayurvedic herbal formulas for the respiratory system have some natural form of cane sugar, so don't be scared of sugar. Even sugar can be used as medicine in the right circumstance, and this is one. So that milk, cook it with turmeric and a little sugar, and drink this at night, and this will soothe the mucosa lining of the throat and provide relief throughout the night. Another home remedy, which you could do during the day, is to eat ripe bananas with a little bit of black pepper pinches on it. And the black pepper, of course, is a pungent and has an expectorant quality to it. And the bananas are very soothing, so this is a known home remedy for dry cough. If, of course, you have congestion and mucus, the main herbs you want to add to it is more herbs like ginger, black pepper, mustard seed. But the main carrier that you would use instead of, say, milk or ghee in a dry cough would be honey, because it's an excellent expectorant, and of course it has many antiviral, antimicrobial qualities to it, so it's a perfect vehicle. Now you would just add, say, 1 tablespoon of honey, add 1/4 teaspoon of very fine black pepper, and take that throughout the day. And if you want to make it a little stronger, then you could add some ginger to it, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, and even some mustard seed. This will make it more potent. If you have a chronic cough for a long period of time, then you could add, say, 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic, along with the ginger and along with a little pepper in this honey formula. And this will help break up the congestion, the mucus, and to provide relief to the cough as well. And of course, if you have a cough for an extended period of time, longer than a week or two, then I would have it checked out to make sure it's not something else. Well, I hope that helped you to naturally resolve and find relief from your cough. Thank you very much.